This is the Tropos, a brand new backpack from Osprey. As usual, my name is Marek. I review backpacks here and at my blog, The Traveler. And this is going to be a quick look at the Tropos, which just came out along with 5 other new backpacks. There's a whole new series of day packs that Osprey has released. You have the Tropos, you have the Thalia, which is the female version, slightly different fit. You have the Nebula and the Nova, and the Quasar and the Questa. So these are 3 sort of different models of day packs with male and female versions. In this video, let's take a quick look at the Tropos. So first thing you might notice about the Tropos is that it actually stands up straight. You can pick it up, put it down, and it won't tip over. That's what Osprey calls its kickstand feature. It has a metal frame at the back and a little bit of a metal frame at the front. And together this ensures that if you pick it up and put it down, it stands up nicely. In the front is a quick access pouch. There is a grab handle. There are several attachment points here, here, and here. And in the front is a travel organizer with a lot of different pockets. Look at all those different pockets, and a keychain holder. At the top is another sleeve, a little bit padded. This would be a nice place for a phone or for sunglasses, for instance. And finally, we have here the main compartment, which, as you can see, is really quite spacious. And there is a sleeve here as well. One more compartment sits at the back. It also has a separate sleeve, and this is where I would put a laptop or a tablet. Now the back is actually made of a hard material. As you can see, there's a back panel here and there's a mesh panel here. They're separated. That is really great for maintaining airflow, and it's very comfortable as well. On the top here are 2 load lifter straps. There's a sternum strap and there is a hip strap as well. On the side is a very elastic water bottle pocket, one over here as well. And there are 4 compression straps, one here, and 2 on the other side. So clearly there's a lot going on here, despite this being a modestly sized backpack. I mean, it's 32 liters, which is, I guess, big for a day pack. It's very spacious for a day pack, but it's not a full size backpack. Still, it has so many storage spaces inside, really nice. I also like the color of this. Lately, in the last couple of years, Osprey has been using colors for its backpack sometimes, and I'm like, I'm not sure. Maybe that's just a matter of taste, but in this case, this dark blue, I'm really into it. There are also several other colors within this product line, which you can check out on their website. Finally, I think the back panel is just really awesome. Osprey is a company that usually does a lot of trekking and hiking backpacks, and while this isn't one of them, this is meant for everyday use. You can tell that they've taken the knowledge from those trekking and hiking backpacks and applied it a little bit to these backpacks. And I think the back panel is one of those things that's kind of carried over really well. I always hate it in the summer when I'm wearing a backpack and I find myself really sweaty on my back. That's not gonna happen with this backpack, I guarantee you. So, in conclusion, I think this is a really great new backpack from Osprey. This has just been a quick look at the Tropos Cardinal Blue. Like and subscribe, leave a comment if you have any questions, and I hope to see you in the next video.